Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a little bit of an update and a closer look at the attachment system for the Haley Strategic D3 belt and their single mag pouches, double mag pouch, single rifle mag, and then how the Blackhawk holster attached. So, I don't know if you can see that these are all the mandible straps that Haley Strategic sells. So that's specialized. It's they say that it's more durable than one wrap, and it is. You know, these pouches are very secure. I mean, if I was on the ground and somebody stomped on me and like grabbed one and ripped it off, you probably can break this. But I'm really happy with the attachment and how secure it is to the belt. And with using this system, or you could probably use one wrap, but this is like their specialized one wrap, or their improved. They took one wrap and improved on that system. You don't have to just use the MOLLE. You're not limited to the MOLLE attachments. I was able to smush all that up close, tight together with the Haley Strategic mandible system. So those are, I really like that. In my previous video, I talked about how this Blackhawk holster has Velcro here and how it worked on my leather belt, but a belt that has Velcro on it where it can tie in would be much better, and that's very true. I have this all set up with the Blackhawk T2 series Glock 17 holster. This is a Shadow Systems DR920, which is a Glock 17 clone. So I think there is some fitment differences. Like, it does work, but if I could find a Glock 17, which I don't own one, to try it out in, I think it would probably have better fitment and snap in. You hear this. Ooh. Yeah, see, it doesn't click in. I mean, you got to really make sure it's in there. So now it's in there, but I don't hear the click. So still need to work on that, figure out what that is. But the drop leg thigh system, I do like that. I am looking at different holsters and quick detach options for this, but I think I am going to keep this platform for whatever ends up going on here. I was able to get the fitment. So this here, I just needed to move it forward and loosen it up in order to get the belt to fit me correctly. It still does you put this hard insert in here, you still have 360 degrees of stiffness with that. If I were to go too far, if I was way fatter and this didn't tuck into this side, then there would be a floppy issue here if the hard retention or hard stiffness belt for liner or whatever it is didn't connect in here. You would have a floppy section here, but this is just as stiff as the rest of the belt. That's what I have so far, and I hope that helps. Any questions or comments or suggestions, put them in the comments. Thank you.